Alright, cool. So you want to make a custom installer for your game or application. You want to make it nice and easy for anyone to download and then install it with ease in a way that almost everyone is familiar with at this point. Awesome, I will show you exactly how you can do that by using Inno Setup. It's nice and easy, so just go ahead and follow along. Alright, so I want you to go ahead and download Inno Setup from this link. I'll leave it in the description below. It's jrsoftware.org. Alright, cool. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the US download link. It'll just immediately start the download. Once it's finished downloading, go ahead and navigate to your downloads and then just go ahead and find the actual download exe. I already have one, so there we go. I'm just going to delete this one. And then yeah, just go ahead and double click on the exe. It'll immediately go ahead and prompt the install process. Just go ahead and install it like how you would normally install anything, basically. So just go ahead and next, and then install. Alright, cool. And then once of course you've installed it, go ahead and click finish and launch it once it's done. Cool, and then the window that comes up, this welcome window, you can just go ahead and close that as soon as it opens up. From here, go ahead and click on the file icon on the top left and then go to new. Alright, then just go ahead and click next. Then go ahead and fill in your information for your app or your game. In my case, it's my game, so it's Geomania, app version 1.0, and the application publisher in my case is me, Lance Nichols. And my website will be my itch page, which I can just go ahead and show you here, is this. Okay, next, this can be left as is. Make sure the user can change the application folder, and then hit next. For this step, make sure to select the main executable of your game build or your application. In my case, this is the exe for my game build. So yeah, go ahead and browse and find the exe and then click on open. Then we need to add the rest of the files that the exe needs. So go ahead and click on add folder. Then go ahead and find the folder where you found the exe, but instead of going in and finding the exe, add the whole folder, so one step back. Alright, next, this is for the application file association stuff. Go ahead and just leave it as is, so click on next. Then we have the application shortcuts. This can also be left as is. Then we have the application documentation. This is the legal stuff, so if you have any of this documentation, add it here. I don't have any of that, so I'm just going to leave it and hit next. Then you got the setup install mode. Let's go ahead and give the user a chance to choose the install mode. All right, cool. Next. Application registry keys and values. In my case, I don't have anything like this to add, so I'm just going to hit next. Set up languages. Here, if your game or app supports multiple languages, go ahead and select all of the languages that it supports. In my case, my game only supports English, so I'm just going to leave it as is and hit next. Alright, cool. So then we have the compiler settings. So this first option here is where we will decide where the installer will end up after being made. So go ahead and choose where you want it. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my desktop. Then you can go ahead and give it a name here. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and name it Geomania Installer. And then if you want to give it an icon, you can go ahead and put that right over here. Now I didn't have an icon ready, so I went ahead and I just took an image that I had made to be used as an icon in Unity, and then went and converted that to an icon. And I will not be giving it a password. So now, once that's all done, go ahead and click next, next again, and then finally finish. Go ahead and just click on yes for both of the pop-ups, then choose where the script is going to be saved. For the purpose of this video, I'll just be putting it on my desktop. Then click save. Go ahead and just let it do its thing. It's busy setting up the installer for you. And then when it is done, let's give it a quick test to see if it works. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Here I'm going to be choosing how I'm going to be installing it. Install for all users. And so now here I'm going to go ahead and choose where I'm installing the game. Alright, cool. There's the end of the installation process. Going to go ahead and click finish. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's launching my game. The game is up, and there we go. Alright guys, there we go. As you can see, the installer has worked to set up the game. Alright, awesome. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please go ahead and leave a like. Please go ahead and subscribe. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate the help there. And yeah, as you can see, this is also a game called Geomania. Please go ahead and give it a try. It's on itch.io for free. But yeah, awesome. Thank you so much guys. Have a good one, and I'll check you in the next one. Goodbye.